Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how I can give the access to a tag manager account. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get it started. So for giving access, we need to come to the section called admin. Okay, then inside the admin section, we have couple of options like account settings, account activities. So for giving access, we need to go to this option called user management. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to click on this blue plus button and I'll click on add users. Then I need to provide the user email address. So for example, I'll give the access to this mail analytical and I'll hit enter. Okay, then in the account permission section, you can either choose administrator or user. So if you want to give the admin access, then you need to enable this checkbox. Okay. So additionally, you can give the container permission as well or container access as well. For giving that, you need to click on this button, set all. Okay. Then you need to enable this check marks. Okay. So if I click on publish, then all of the check marks will be enabled. Then I'm gonna hit done and I'll click invite button. Okay, then the user will be notified by this mail. Okay, so I'm gonna click on yes. Okay, you can see over here the user has been invited. So if I go to this mail or if I go to tagmanager.google.com using this mail, then I'll have a notification. Okay, or I'll have an invitation. So if I click on it, you can see over here I have got an invitation. So you can either accept the request or decline the request. So I'm gonna click on accept. Okay, so you can see over here the invitation has been accepted. So if I go to over here and refresh the screen, if I go to user management section, just wait a little bit, then you can see over here analyticalgrowth@gmail.com has the access and this email has the admin access. Okay, so this is how you can give access to a tag manager account, and you can give access to a container access, container account access as well. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.